Okay, I have all of my farmer's market peaches. The best peaches are the ones that are right about to turn, so I've got those all cut up. I mixed all my dried ingredients with a fork, and then I used a knife to cube my butter or dice it. And this was a little trip. I leave it in the, what is that called, trick? I leave it in the butter thing so that I don't ever actually get the cutting board dirty. Flip it in, and then you can use, this is like a pastry cutter to kind of start your process going there. And so you're gonna have it kind of start to incorporate. Sorry, I'm doing it one-handed because I'm breastfeeding. And then here's where this took a lot of practice. So you're kind of starting to incorporate it there and pulling it off and kind of smushing it as you pull it off. Oh, you're okay, girl. There you go. Okay, so we'll do with what we can. And this is called butter massage, patented Tracy Clark technique, where you're kind of flipping and shagging it and massaging it at once.
So you're shagging it?
I am you like kind of, yeah, I guess that's what it's called. They're kind of shagging it at the same time. So keep going. I'm gonna make this live time just so you see how long it takes to actually, it's a lot faster if you have two hands, obviously. Okay, we're getting close here, and you kind of can like start smushing it. You basically want almost all of the dried ingredients to be incorporated into the crumble, and it almost looks like an oatmeal cookie dough by the time you're done, but you want to just keep kind of breaking it up into pieces as you go, smushing and turning. And Cohen, can you please be quiet for a minute? Okay, and this tastes really good even if you just eat this stuff raw here like this. There is going to be a post attached to this video. This has the full recipe and my favorite ingredients and everything, but I just was trying to make this a short video on the technique. Okay, this looks great. And then you just basically start to release it over your crumble. And I usually do a double batch so that I can put some of this crumble in a Ziploc bag and keep it in the refrigerator. And that way I can do single portions if later in the week I just want to cut up one peach and then just do a little crumble on top for a single, or I'll do one for me and one for my husband. So, and I think that the topping lasts like at least a good week in the refrigerator for single portions. So maybe today's Sunday I'll make this, and then maybe later Thursday or Friday we have enough to make single portions if we want. This is looking pretty good. I made the double batch, but this is a really big batch of, this is probably about 12 peaches maybe. But when I do single servings, I do 1 to 2 peaches a person. Here we go, beautiful, voila.